Society, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Parties responsible to perform the contract. Promisor. If the contract signifies personal performance by promisor himself, involving personal skill of promisor like singing, painting or special skill, then the promise must be performed by the promisor himself and none else. Example, F promises to paint a picture for B. In the meantime, F became disabled in an accident and said his son S to draw the picture of B. Held S cannot perform the promise made by his father F, as it involves personal skill of the promisor. The contract between F and B is discharged. Agent, except in contracts requiring personal performance, the promisor or his representative may employ a competent person to perform. Example, A promises to pay B a sum of money. A may personally pay the money to B or may pay through any other person. Legal representatives. On death of the promisor, contracts requiring personal performance comes to an end. A personal action dies with the person. But in other cases, the legal representatives of the deceased promisor are to perform it unless a contrary intention appears from the contract. The liability of the legal representatives is limited to the value of the property inherited from the deceased. Example, A promises to paint a picture for B within a month. A dies before that time without being able to paint the picture. The contract cannot be enforced neither by A's representatives nor by B. Example, A promises to deliver his Maruti car to B on payment of rupees 1 lakh on 31st March. A dies before that day. A's legal representative must perform the contract. Third persons. When a promisee accepts performance by a third person, he cannot afterwards enforce it against the promisor. Example, X contracted with Y for supply of 500 tons of iron ore. X demanded more 200 tons, but Y referred his friend Z as he is out of stock. X accepts the performance of the contract with Z. At the time of delivery, Z was unable to supply the ore. X can neither enforce Y to supply 200 tons of ore or to pay for the damages. Joint promises. When two or more persons make a joint promise, all of them and their legal representative after their death must fulfill the promise. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.